Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got an exciting product that every parent needs. The Panda Ears set of 3 cute silicone bibs for babies and toddlers. If you're tired of messy meals and endless laundry, this might just be the best bib for feeding available in the market. Stick around as we dive into the details of this fantastic product. Let's start by introducing the Panda Ears set of 3 cute silicone bibs. These bibs are designed to make your life as a parent a whole lot easier. They are suitable for babies and toddlers aged 10 to 72 months. The best part? They are waterproof, soft, and incredibly practical. Now, let's talk about the key features that set these bibs apart. One of the standout features of these bibs is the deep and sturdy spill pocket. It's designed to catch any stray food or liquids, which means less mess on your baby's clothes and the floor. You'll be delighted to know that these bibs come in a budget-friendly 3-pack, offering excellent value for your money. Plus, they are available in trendy colors like brown, blue, and green, ensuring your little one is always stylishly dressed. These bibs are made of 100% soft silicone, making them comfortable for your baby to wear. And the best part? They significantly reduce the amount of laundry you'll have to do. The neck strap provides 4 different sizes, making these bibs suitable for children aged 6 months to 6 years. They can grow with your child. Panda Ears stands behind the quality of their products and offers a lifetime warranty. If you're not satisfied with these bibs, they'll replace them free of charge or refund your purchase. Here are a few more details to consider. These bibs are from a small business brand, so when you purchase them, you're supporting a small business. The product dimensions are 11.4 by 8.5 by 0.1 inches, and they weigh 12.33 ounces. They are recommended for children aged 0 to 6 months. These bibs are manufactured by Panda Ear, a brand dedicated to providing high-quality, budget-friendly baby products. That wraps up our review of the Panda Ears set of 3 cute silicone bibs for babies and toddlers. If you want to make feeding time a breeze and keep your baby looking adorable while staying mess-free, these bibs are an excellent choice. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more fantastic product reviews, and share this video with fellow parents who could benefit from these amazing bibs. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.